We became the second conversion charter school in the state of California in 1993. I was the principal of this school for 5 years prior to our conversion. This was considered one of the two worst schools in the San Fernando Valley, which is quite a statement because the San Fernando Valley would be the 7th largest district in the country if it were a district of itself. We took this school for 5 years and tried to make changes, and the only way I could make changes was to make them happen and then hold out my hand and get it slapped. There just wasn't, we didn't have the authority to do anything. We had the responsibility to do it, but not the authority to do it. I heard about the charter school movement. At first I didn't give it much credence because I just thought it was another one of those movements that was going to allow those deck chairs to keep moving on the deck of the Titanic. It wasn't until I heard how much money the district actually took from the amount of money that students generated at each school that I got interested. And I started investigating, and when I found out that it was true that the district was taking somewhere between 35 and 45% of the money to basically maintain their bureaucracy, and it wasn't trickling down to the school sites, I realized that there might be something to the charter movement. We started looking at what our students would generate. I came up with a dream school, what I would do if I were king, if I could change everything. And it was things like changing class size from 32 to 38 down to 25 to 1, hiring a full-time counselor, a full-time librarian, restoring the 10% pay cut that we all suffered in the prior year. And when I multiplied our enrollment time and the number of students that we had, I found out that we actually could afford my dream school. So I brought it to the leadership team of the school. We were all leaving the district because we were so fed up with life in the district. We all agreed that we would stay if we became a charter school. So we took it to our staff. I showed them my dream school, what we could do if we became a charter. We took a vote, and 95% of our staff, our teachers, voted to write a charter. And that's how it began. And as a result of it, we took this throwaway school, one of the worst there was, and in 3 years we became a California Distinguished School. We currently have an API of 804. We're considered one of the model conversion schools in the state of California, and we're very proud of what we've accomplished.